Check 1 2. Yes! Hey guys, what's up? It's midnight. Welcome to day 21, Procreate for Beginners, Summer School. It's midnight, so I'm getting started early for all you early birds. I'm an early bird. I know you're an early bird. I have trouble speaking sometimes. Anyway, so my name's Dave. I'm from Brooklyn. First things first, we're going to get started with 5 things that you should definitely do as soon as you get Procreate. So it's not only for people that are just using Procreate for the first time. I actually just got a new iPad, so I had to put Procreate on the new iPad, and there was one thing that I found really, it bugged me so much, but I figured it out. And we're also going to do some fun stuff for those of you who are a little bit more familiar with Procreate. Maybe you don't do these things and maybe you would like to do them. So I'm going to show you some fun things to do in Procreate and what you should do as soon as you get it. Be sure to check the video below, but also if you want to support, you can click the link and watch this video on YouTube, because I need as many likes as I can get. I need to work that algorithm so I can do the YouTube thing. I would appreciate your support. But either way, check out the video and hashtag Summerschool. See you there.